Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create Telegram channel without phone number. To start, open your Telegram application in your mobile. Now, just tap on this pencil icon. Tap on this new channel. Now from here, you have to give your channel name. Like I am going for test channel. You can do anything you want. It's all up to your preference. You can also add a description and then add a photo for the channel as well, depending on your preference again. Once done, click on check. Now choose whether this is a public channel or private channel. Even in here, you can also create a public link where everybody can click to join. So again, you could name this to anything that you want, just make sure it is available. Telegram will tell you if the public link is not available. If it has a green bar saying it's available, that means you are all good to go. Once done, click on the check mark in the upper right, and then in here you can add subscribers as you can see. So now if you tap on this arrow button, now you already have a test channel or a Telegram channel ready to go. And in here you could also invite people by giving out your public link to anybody. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.